Hello, bonjour, and welcome to my channel Learn French Together. Today we are starting with the basics. How to greet someone in French. Let's begin with the most common greetings. Bonjour. It means hello or good morning. Bonjour. It means good evening. Bonne nuit. That means good night. Comment ça va? That means how is it going and how are you? Ça va bien. It means I'm doing well or I'm fine. Ça va. That means I'm okay. Comme ci comme ça. That means so-so. I'm so-so. Ça ne va pas. It means I'm not good. You could say ça va mal. That means I am doing badly. Enchanté. That means nice to meet you. If you are female, add an E at the end, but pronounced the same. Je parle anglais. It means I speak English. Je ne parle pas français. That means I don't speak French. Au revoir. It means goodbye. Bien joué. It means well done or good job. Merci. That means thank you. Merci beaucoup. That means thank you very much. À bientôt. It means see you soon. Thank you for listening. See you next time.